In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage slides in PowerPoint. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. PowerPoint is a powerful tool for creating presentations, and managing your slides effectively can make a big difference in how your audience receives your message. So let's dive into some essential tips and tricks. First, when you open PowerPoint, you'll be greeted with a clean slate. Start out by creating a new presentation. You can choose from a blank presentation or select one of the available templates that PowerPoint offers. Templates can help give your slides a more professional look right from the start, so feel free to explore those options. Once you have a presentation open, you'll notice the slide sorter on the left side of your screen. This is where the magic happens. Here, you can see all your slides at a glance. If you want to add a new slide, simply click on the New Slide button in the ribbon at the top. PowerPoint will give you a few layout options, so take your pick based on the content you plan to add. Now, managing the order of your slides is super important for clarity and flow. To rearrange your slides, click and drag a slide in the slide sorter until it's positioned where you want it. It's incredibly straightforward and allows you to see how your narrative begins to unfold visually. Another helpful tip is to use the Slide Master feature. The Slide Master is a powerful tool that allows you to make changes to your slide's overall look and feel while ensuring consistency throughout your presentation. To access it, go to the View tab and click on Slide Master. Here, you can alter fonts, colors, and background images for all slides at once. Once you're satisfied with your changes, just close the Slide Master view and everything should update automatically in your presentation. Transitions can add a dynamic touch to your slides, but use them judiciously. You can add transitions between your slides by selecting a slide, then going to the Transitions tab. You'll be presented with various options. Choose the one that best fits the mood of your presentation. You can also adjust the timing and effects between transitions, so experiment a bit to see what feels right for your project. Now, let's talk about slide notes. Slide notes are incredibly useful for presenters. You can add detailed notes that will be visible only to you during the presentation. To add notes, click on the Notes section below each slide and type in your text. These notes can help remind you of key points you want to mention without cluttering your slides with too much information. Lastly, let's discuss saving and sharing your masterpiece. Once you're happy with your slides, don't forget to save your work. Go to the File menu and choose Save As. You can select the location on your device or even save it directly to the cloud. When it's time to share your presentation, you can easily export it as a PDF or share it straight from PowerPoint, making it super convenient for your audience. And there you have it. Those are some essential tips for managing slides in PowerPoint. Remember, effective slide management not only enhances your presentation, but also makes you feel more confident as a presenter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more handy tips. Happy presenting!